Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, EVERISE is currently hiring, guys, for all types of roles. They have 67 open job opportunities here, and they are hiring worldwide, guys. So come over here. I'll put the link in the description of this video, and that way you can come and take a look at all of the positions that are currently open with EVERISE, Champions of Customer Happiness at EVERISE, and these are all of the awards that they have received from all different types of Glassdoor, Indeed, Power Partner, things of that nature. So I just picked the job as I was scrolling through. As you can see here, are all the jobs here. Over here, what they have available. You can just come through, and click. And as you can see, there's 67 jobs here. You can just toggle through these if you want. There's jobs all over the place: work from home, customer service representative, healthcare representative. But I just chose this job here just to give you an idea on what type of jobs they have. It says, join us on our mission to elevate customer experience for people around the world. As a member of the EVERISE family, you will be a part of a global experience company that believes in being people first, celebrating diversity, and incubating innovation. So, guys, they got a 4.5 Glassdoor rating. Shiny Going Wall Best Place to Work Awards is a testament of their investment in their culture. Customer service representative will provide outstanding service, acting as the primary point of contact for customers regarding products and services related to client programs. Job requirements is professionally handling a high volume of incoming calls, thoroughly, efficiently gathering the customer's information and assessing to fulfill the customer's needs and to educate customers where applicable regarding products and services, and ability to utilize and navigate multiple systems simultaneously. Your qualifications, guys, you will need to have 1 year plus experience in customer service is required. In the healthcare industry, a degree or appropriate education must be substituted for experience. Stable work history, professional appearance, strong detail to orientation, and excellent communication skills and listening skills, and ability to pass all skill assessments, including demonstrated experience with Microsoft applications, high developed sense of integrity and commitment to customer satisfaction, meet all the attendance, dependability, the ability to type 37 words per minute, a minimum of 35 gigabytes, because this is a conducive workspace as far as you working from home. If you are working on site, they'll tell you that you know what's necessary for you to work on site, but they have a lot of remote opportunities here, guys. And I just want to give you a quick rundown or a quick overview on what they have here at EverWise. So you can always come over here to EverWise. I'll drop the link in the description, guys, for you to come and take a look on what EverRise offers, what they deliver, guys. They deliver happiness to millions of customers around the world. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles. As you can see, there's 67 here. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day, guys. You are amazing. Please make it an amazing day for someone else, guys. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you know anyone who's currently looking for a job role, please share this job lead with them, guys, so they'll be able to come over to EverRise and be able to submit their resume as well. So thank you so much for sharing. I love you lots. I appreciate you lots, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.